minutes until the pot is boiling, children. Don't let me find no croft dumplings.
Croft dumplings? If Grandma wants fluffy, I'm giving her clouds. Kai, stop! One pinch is the rule, or the dough gets bad mind. Kai, I'm stuck!
Uh-oh.
Well, at least we're finally on the same page.
Hide it, Kai!
Is there a reason why we are practicing ghost masquerades during dumpling time? Here you go, dear.
We tried to hustle the process, Grandma. We thought we knew more than the recipe.
Dumplings take time, just like you two growing up. Now, clean this nutrage up.
Next time, we follow the script. Next time, we stay in the lines.